I will start my diet on Monday. I have a meeting with my boss on Tuesday. It's my English class on Wednesday. I'm going to the movies with my friends on Thursday. It's finally Friday. I'm going to spend the day cleaning my house on Saturday. I usually relax at home on Sundays. New Year's Day is celebrated in January. Valentine's Day is in February. Spring starts in March. April Fool's Day is on April 1st. The weather is usually nice in May. School usually ends in June. It's often hot and humid in July. Many people go on vacation in August. Fall starts in September. Halloween is in October. Thanksgiving is celebrated in November. Christmas is in December. I was born in March 1985. My birthday is on August 15th. I'm going to visit my family in December. We usually go to the beach in July. My favorite month is October because the weather is cool and crisp. I will go grocery shopping on Monday. I will attend my yoga class on Tuesday. I will finish my project on Wednesday. I will have dinner with my friends on Thursday. I will go out for drinks on Friday. I will spend the day relaxing at home on Saturday. I will prepare a delicious meal for my family on Sunday. I will travel to Europe in January. I will celebrate Valentine's Day with my special someone in February. I will enjoy the blooming flowers in March. I will play an April Fool's Day prank on my friends. I will have a picnic in the park in May. I will attend my graduation ceremony in June. I will go swimming at the beach in July. I will take a road trip with my friends in August. I will go apple picking in September. I will carve a pumpkin for Halloween in October. I will be thankful for my blessings on Thanksgiving in November. I will celebrate Christmas with my family in December. I went grocery shopping on Monday. I attended my yoga class on Tuesday. I finished my project on Wednesday. I had dinner with my friends on Thursday. I went out for drinks on Friday. I spent the day relaxing at home on Saturday. I prepared a delicious meal for my family on Sunday. I traveled to Europe in January. I celebrated Valentine's Day with my special someone in February. I enjoyed the blooming flowers in March. I played an April Fool's Day prank on my friends. I had a picnic in the park in May. I attended my graduation ceremony in June. I went swimming at the beach in July. I took a road trip with my friends in August. I went apple picking in September. I carved a pumpkin for Halloween in October. I was thankful for my blessings on Thanksgiving in November. I celebrated Christmas with my family in December. I was born in March 1985. My birthday was on August 15th. I visited my family in December. We went to the beach in July. My favorite month was October because the weather was cool and crisp. I was born on March 15th, 1985. I graduated from college in June 2010. I met my wife on July 4th, 2012. We moved to a new house in August 2015. I took a trip to Europe in September 2018. Today is Monday, June 3rd, 2024. It is 8:11 p.m. I am currently living in Seville, Spain. I am working on a new project that is due on June 10th. I am planning a vacation to the beach for July. I will be traveling to New York City on August 15th. My birthday is coming up on September 22nd. I am starting a new job on October 1st. I am going to a concert on November 10th. I am spending Christmas with my family on December 25th. I will never forget the day I met you. We have been married for 10 years. I hope to see you again soon. I am looking forward to the future. Time flies when you're having fun.